In this video we are explaining star-delta starter wiring. Please subscribe our channel for informative videos. Thank you and good luck. You need to make a star-delta motor starter. These material: 1. MCB, MPCB, MCCB, 2. 3 numbers contactors, 3. Timer, 4. Motor and 5th start-stop push buttons. You can add overload relay also. Let's learn how to make it. Applications of star-delta starter. As we know, the main purpose of star-delta starter is to start the 3-phase induction motor in star connection while run in delta connection. While keep in mind that star-delta starter can only be used for low to medium voltage and light starting torque induction motors. In case of direct online, DOL, start, the receiving current at motor is about 33% while the starting torque reduced about 25 to 30%. This way, star-delta starter can be only used for light load during starting the motor. Otherwise, the heavy load motor won't start due to low torque, which need to accelerate the motor to rated speed while converting to the delta connection. So this is a complete circuit of star-delta connection. If you have any question, please write us in comments section. Please stay connected for more informative videos.